name is Vishwan Singh, working as a service engineer in Semco Infratech. आइए हम आपको बताने जा रहे हैं बैटरी सेल इक्वलाइजर के बारे में।
Portable Lithium Battery Balancer Equalizer IE Module Equalization Series adopts high-efficiency charging and discharging topology, which carries out comprehensive diagnosis and repair for the inconsistency of voltage and capacity between cells of new energy batteries after long time operation, and enhances the usable capacity of the whole set of batteries through targeted repairing strategies to prolong the use cycle of power batteries. The whole system supports remote access of applets and over-the-air upgrade. Appearances. Illustration. Functional characteristics. Lightweight and portable, minimalist operation. Supports 3 battery types: lithium-ion, ternary, lithium titanate. Software can be updated remotely for easy maintenance and upgrading. With data storage function, can realize the whole traceability of maintenance data. Application scenarios. Product model description. Technical parameters.
आपको और भी मशीनों की जानकारी चाहिए तो आप हमारी वेबसाइट पर भी जा सकते हैं, और साइट एक्सपीरियंस के लिए आप साइट नंबर 4 18/28 साहिबाबाद इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया गाजियाबाद में आप विजिट कर सकते हैं।